And you don't think if the pastor or if the pastor under the Lord's unction or the Lord tells you to say or do something and you don't say or do it, he'll get rocks to do it if he has to. But it's going to get done. But you should think it of it as an honor when God tells you to do something.
Hey, ma'am, can you move your head?
If he tells you to minister for him, one way or another, it's going to get done. Amen. Come on.
Again, I tell you that if these should hold their peace, the stone shall immediately cry out. And when he was come near, he beheld the city and wept over it, saying, If thou hadst known, even thou, at least in this thy day, the things which belong unto thy peace, but now they are hid from thy eyes. For the days shall come upon thee, for thy enemies shall cast a trench about thee, and compass thee.